Modern dating created a strange trap for men. The more a man texts, the less attractive it becomes. When a man meets a woman he really likes, his instinct is simple. He wants to keep the relationship, the connection alive, which makes him message more frequently. Good morning. How was your day? What are you doing? From his perspective, it feels like effort. But from our perspective, something else starts happening. Because attraction doesn't grow from constant presence. It grows from tension, space, and the uncertainty of not fully knowing where you stand yet. When a man texts too much, that tension disappears. She no longer wonders about it. He's already there, already available, already investing. And that creates a quiet shift most men never notice. The conversation stops feeling like discovery and start feeling like maintenance. Something she has to reply to, not something pulling her in. This is the strange paradox of attraction. The more a man tries to maintain connection through constant texting, the less valuable that connection begins to feel. Attraction rarely grows from constant reassurance. It grows from the feeling that someone has a life that doesn't revolve around you. When texting becomes constant, that signal disappears. And without realizing it, a man can slowly talk himself out of the very attraction he was trying to build.